It seems like so then that's gonna be both from, like, the technical aspect as well as, like, the algorithmic or AI aspect, right? Like, are
Yes.
these, like, the both aspects
Yeah,
going here, like, to make
sure,
this better?
sure. Cancer is like an elephant and a six blind man touching it and describing what it is. A genomics is a science of genetics, right?
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
tells you something very important, but it doesn't give you a full picture.
Mhm.
Just like a blind person touching, the leg of an elephant, if you ask him to describe, he'll say, "Oh, elephant is like a leg."
Mhm.
Another blind person touches, let's say the tail, and it says, "Oh,
Mhm.
it's like a snake."
Mhm.
So unfortunately, the genomics, the transcriptomics, the proteomics, the methylomics, the metabolomics, these are all fields of science,
Mhm.
but they are looking at cancer into the silos with their own lenses.
Mhm.
Unfortunately,
Mhm.
cancer, everything, this has to be all integrated.
Yes.
So the first generation of precision oncology was driven by tissue biopsy
Mhm.
and the genomics data.
Mhm.
Companies like Foundation, they did very, very well. They established as the leader. But tissue is an issue. So second generation, the liquid biopsy,
Mhm.
right, which is the blood-based stuff, right? That came about. But what has been not fully equipped is, again, that was really focusing again, on the genomics and, the transcriptomics. But the DNAs, they don't, cannot get you the transcriptomics
Yeah,
or cannot,
absolutely
or
not.
maybe a little bit, but definitely not proteomics.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So the third generation, which we call the cell biopsy,
Mhm.
has the ability to do all three pieces together: the
Okay.
genomics, the transcriptomics, and the proteomics. Now, what happens is multiomics, it's a big data problem. Cancer,
Yes.
as much as it's a disease, it's also a data problem. And the data is overwhelming. So, this is where AI comes in handy,
Mhm.
analyzing this multidimensional, multimodal, multi-omics data,
Mhm.
making sense out of it, correlating the data, and predicting the outcome is the key challenge, right?